then you'll have a positive view of chiropractic after this. Tell me, what's
Where do I put my arm?
does anything bother you?
Yes.
You got any problems or anything bothering you?
No, in general, what I have is I have some slip discs here.
Yeah.
That makes, for example, feeling here every time like tight.
Right.
So cars and this stuff. But this is, I have all massage and then nothing happens. So you don't have to worry in terms of what you do.
Alright, sounds good. Let's just have a feel through here and tell me if anything feels different. So that, do you feel a difference there or is it the same?
Oh yeah, lip. Oh.
Yeah, left
It's
side.
not much, but that, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's.
It's a bit more tender on the left, but not too much. Alright.
It goes all into the left butt.
When I'm pushing.
No, in general.
Oh, in general, yeah.
It goes every time to the left. That's.
Let's do some tests to see the power in your legs. Just relax this one down. That one stays there. Lift the knee up off the table. Yep. Can you hold that up strong? Don't let me push it down, okay? Hold strong, strong. Nice. Relax down. Keep your legs out to the side here. Don't let me push this one in. Hold it strong. Hold strong. Nice. Hold this one strong. Okay. They're working well. Do one more. Keep your leg like that. Don't let me knee on the ground for this one. Knee down. Down. On the floor. Knee. Yes. And then hold your heel here. Don't let me push you. Hold it strong. Hold strong. Very good. Alright, that's okay. All good. What we'll do, we'll just do a little move with the table. So the table's going to pop up. You feel it like that. And then it's going to drop down and makes a loud noise, okay? Just like that. That noise is the table, not your back, okay?
I can feel that.
Okay. Take a breath in. Breathe out. Pressure here. Table drops. Okay. You can handle that?
Yeah.
Doesn't feel like anything really? Yeah? Good. Breathe in. Breathe out. How long ago did you find out about the slip disc?
Oh, many years.
Many years?
10 years.
10 years.
Actually, I got once a cramp in the night. I thought it's kidney cramp or something.
Ah.
And then I went to the doctor in Germany and explained it to her, and she said, "Oh, I sent you to an MRI because you most probably have slip disc."
Slip disc,
"Oh,
yeah.
what are you talking about?"
Yeah.
And then I came back and she confirmed it too, but I sent it to Mike and he said, "Yeah, slightly."
Okay.
And
he wasn't concerned.
well, he confirmed. He said, "Slightly, you have it."
Yeah.
But it basically explains all this stuff what I'm saying. I have since many years on the left side. What is it? From the, I feel every time I hear something.
They're tight.
If I get a cramp, it's getting in the left leg and down here somewhere.
Alright. For many years.
Oh, 10 years roughly. That I'm aware of something. For example, when I drive a long time and I get out of the car, then I have to stretch.
Yeah.
And if I do this, it's all good. If I go out and walk quick, I get a cramp on the left.
On the left. Okay.
Interestingly, this
right side.
with the Tesla.
Yeah.
I drove now to Wangaratta.
Yeah.
Had a meeting and drove back same day.
Yeah.
In the evening, I realized I didn't stretch what I would have done with my BMW.
And it was alright.
It was good. Yeah. So this car has good seats.
Do you
well,
feel
it was good for me.
The difference there and there, Thomas?
Yeah.
So that one there feels sore to me. So what we'll do, we'll put some pressure through down like that. And what I expect is that this right side starts to feel like the left. So it stops bothering you. Take a breath in. Breathe out. You might hear a little clunk. Well done. Whew. It's alright?
Yeah.
Alright. And then see when I push through here now, there's not, that sore spot's sort of gone. That's what we want. Now we use the table here. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Okay, I'll get you to lie on your side facing the posters here. I'll show you this one. I'll show you lower back's moving one. Then this knee, this one's straight.
Okay.
This one through, both hands up here. Alright. So, with this part, I'm going to make the table like one. I'll put some pressure down on top of your hip like that. It might feel like you're going to fall off the table, you won't fall. Okay? I've got you. You won't fall. Pressure here. That okay?
Yeah.
Doesn't feel like much. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more. Wow. You hear that?
I felt something here.
Face the other way. Good. You felt it.
Don't do this to Sonia. She will cry.
Yeah.
She.
No. I'll go easy on. I can just do like a clicker on Sonia, just something to show a different person. Alright, and just a bit of a stretch through here. Breathe in. Breathe out. That's all. Nice. You can lie on your back. Okay. Okay. I'm not going to do any clicking or anything like that through here. I'm just going to have a feel.
It's all good.
Yeah.
Well, at least what I mean, maybe some.
You feel that? Not there on the left, just only on the right. No.
Yeah, but nearly. For me, not much different. As I felt it at the back.
Yeah, more on the back, but
More
not
on the back, but up there.
Not really.
For me, no. I have never here. I normally don't have.
No.
Don't feel anything.
I just put a little click through with this. It's just a little. It's like a little hammer. You put some pressure on. It shouldn't feel like much is happening. Just a little click. So you can handle that. So around one. Yeah. That's all. That's all good. Okay, just pop this arm up. I'm just going to do some things for the camera. Can you pull your arm that way? Pull that way. Pull strong. Good. Push your arm towards me. Push, push, push. Very good. Relax. Let's go lift this. Yeah, lift it there. I'll just rotate in, rotate out, and hold your legs strong. Don't let me push. Hold strong. Very good. Relax down. That's it. You can stand up. Thank you, Thomas.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hopefully that gives you at least a bit of a stretch.